Hello guys, going to collect potato from Chowainamei. You can enjoy the view. Woo. On the halfway, Kurama, huh?
Halfway.
Halfway almost. Huh? Delay, new hinada. So, guys, we are coming from that village, very far away, and we're here on the way. Very nice trekking, as well as let's see the beautiful potato which they has planted. Up one is Chowainamei Kulen. Just say that is a Mefati village. You can see what is so beautiful. As you can see out there, it is Mapundin potato farm. Out there, that mountain range, you can see, wow, so evergreen. Wow, like in Jammu Kashmir. This is exactly like the core road. Wow, very beautiful. What a problem that. We're on the track. It's it's light to there. It's light to there. We have two cabin crew from Air India. Say hello. Say hi. Today we have a strong cabin crew, and you see, where Tala, we call it Tala. Wow, very beautiful, very beautiful, beautiful. Wow, you see, so cute hut we have here. As you can see, around 5, 6, 7 people can contain in this hut. And you see, we're going to dig out from here the potato, and as you can see, these are corn, maize, not corn. sorry guys, this is corn. Ano English ada juga? Sama? Sama. This is called ukru. Correct or not?
Yes.
This is called ukru. I'm going to give a present to my mother. Surprise gift to my mother. Thank you. Potato and the keep in this hut for the next season. Wow. I can contain and I can sleep also. Wow. They have double bed here. Extra large bed. You can sleep. Guys, see, natural potato. So far, this much we got it. Correct or not? How's that? Yeah. You're walking or not? Walk. What's the matter? That's a. Ni fuma man jun nya no kalabu le mena. What's the shish le mena? Tu vas some de limon le shu so na chita me. Da. Chema. Ajisa. Chema. Chu so na chita me na. Awa what's the shish le ka ta no some do re le ze. Rama shiha ka jini le mena. Wow.
Big one you put inside.
Even though it's very hot, but till then We are trying our best. Actually, this is pure organic without manure, I should say. And just see, wow, how much we got it. Very beautiful, very nice. As you can see, this is bean, local bean from Chowainamei garden. We are going to carry around like 20 to 30 kilos of potato, and it will go on like 1 kilometer to carry this potato. Just see how farmers are struggling to carry these potatoes. This is how we are carrying potato and going home. It's not an easy. Whether sunny or raining, we have to be like this. Takatama Hava Malaysia. Tasha was Somali. Both the Niha both the Massa Shale. Savannah. So there's a lot of blue. What play? This is how we're carrying potato and taking rice. Just see, it's too hot. This is how my team is carrying the potato.
Look this side.
Yeah, look.
Hey.